everybody, my name is Kate Berry from the University of Texas at Austin, and welcome to this Math Spiral video where we will review length conversions both within the U.S. Customary system and the metric system. To complete length conversions within the U.S. Customary system, students need to understand the patterns and relationship between inches, feet, yards, and miles. Specifically, there are 12 inches in 1 foot, 3 feet in 1 yard, and 1,760 yards in a mile. These numbers are the basis of our conversions. When converting from inches to feet, we divide by 12. When converting from feet to inches, we multiply by 12. When converting from feet to yards, we divide by 3. When converting from yards to feet, we multiply by 3. When converting from yards to miles, we divide by 1,760. And when converting from miles to yards, we multiply by 1,760. Teachers can use fraction tiles and bars, rulers, Unifix cubes, and/or yardsticks to support students' understanding. For example, we can use fraction bars to help show that there are 24 inches in 2 feet, or that 48 inches make 4 feet. To complete length conversions within the U.S. Customary system, students need to understand the patterns or relationships between inches, feet, yards, and miles as we discussed on the previous slide. We also can write our units in the bottom where we have mile, yard, feet, foot, and inch, and we can use that to help us determine our conversions. For example, there are 12 inches in a foot, 3 feet in a yard, and 1,760 yards in a mile. These numbers are the basis of our conversions. When converting from smaller units to greater or larger units, we're going to divide. So when we convert from inches to feet, we divide by 12. When we convert from feet to yards, we divide by 3. When we convert from yards to miles, we divide by 1,760. When we convert from greater units to smaller units, we're going to multiply. So when we convert from feet to inches, we multiply by 12. When we convert from yards to feet, we multiply by 3. And when we convert from miles to yards, we multiply by 1,760. Teachers can use fraction tiles, fraction bars, rulers, Unifix cubes, and/or yardsticks to support students' understanding. For example, we can use fraction bars to help show that 2 feet equals 24 inches, or that 48 inches make 4 feet. In the metric system, students can understand the order of measurements from greater to least using the mnemonic device, King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. The order of the length measurements in the metric system is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, unit, which is meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. The metric system is based on tens, so we're going to use tens to complete the length conversions. When moving from greater to least or smaller units, we multiply by 10 each unit. When moving from least to greater units, we divide by 10 each unit. Teachers can use fraction tiles and bars, rulers, Unifix cubes, and/or yardsticks to support students' understanding. In this example here, we can use the bars to show that there are 3,000 meters in 3 kilometers. Thank you so much for taking the opportunity to view this spiral video where we reviewed length conversions both using the U.S. Customary units as well as our metric system. We look forward to seeing you in another spiral video soon.